reboot with actually know where I am and what I'm doing. All right, this is an identity question. So essentially, 5a minus b times x plus b plus 2c equals 0 plus 0x. And green equals green, red equals red. We got now, Harry, right? So 5a minus b equals 0. And then b plus 2c equals 0. There's no b in the answer, so we're going to move b over here. So we got 5a equals b. Then we get b is 5a. 5a plus 2c equals 0. Get a on its own. So we're going to get 5a equals minus 2c. A equals minus 2 over 5c. There we go. So if you want to do it that way with the x's, so like this, x on both sides, cancel the x's. So you don't necessarily need them. Okay. All right. Remember where I am now. All right. Let's move on. Anybody for 16? I think I did it yesterday, didn't I? Was it 18 you wanted or 9? 17 was it? 17. All right. Give me 1 second. So once again, the method I'm using is I just say x plus 1, x minus 1, no bother. I'm just going to get a common denominator over here. So it's going to be a over x plus 1, and then it's going to be b over x minus 1. I don't have to learn off any fancy tricks here. All I have to do is just say, look, x minus 1 on the bottom, x minus 1 on the top, x plus 1 on the top, and x plus 1 on the bottom. Is that okay so far? Any questions so far? Okay. I'm going to get ax minus 1a. I'm going to get bx plus 1b, all divided by x plus 1 and x minus 1. On the other side, I have 1 into x plus 1 and x minus 1. And what I'm going to notice here is that this part up here, actually, it's 1 plus 0x. Would everybody agree with that? What can I do next? I can say ax plus bx equals 0x. I can also say minus a plus b equals 1. Minus a plus b equals 1. And after that, I can also say ax plus bx equals 0. Is that okay there? So what happens when you add downwards? 2b equals 1 and b equals a half. And if b equals a half, what's a? Has to be minus a half, doesn't it? Because a plus b equals 0. How many people got that one out? Minus a half and plus a half. All right, good job. All right, Brendan. Okay. So once again, we're going to do exactly what we did in the last one, but there's going to be one difference at the very end. We're once again going to have a into x plus 1 and b over x plus 4 over here. B x plus 4. All right, common denominator time. What you do? X plus 4, x plus 4, x plus 1, and x plus 1. Now, ax plus 4a plus bx plus 1b all over x plus 1 and x plus 4 has to equal 1 over x plus 1, x plus 4. I'm going to add in an extra plus 0x here. Okay. Simultaneous equation. What's my two simultaneous equations here? Anybody? Ax plus bx equals. So a plus b equals 0, no bother. What about the other one? 4a plus 1b equals 1. I'm going to subtract the bottom one now. Actually, subtract the top one. It's easier. And subtract minus a minus b equals 0. we find out that 3a equals, what does 3a equal? 1a equals third. Okay, if a equals a third, what's b equal to? Minus a third. Okay, have I got full marks for this question? If you reread the question, I won't get full marks for it. Okay, now the reason for that is it's a over x plus 1 and b over x plus 4. It's a over x plus 1 and it's b over x plus 4. Now the way I can write this is I can write it like this. I can write it as 1/3 multiplied by 1 over x plus 1 minus 1/3 multiplied by, what's it, x plus 4? And I can rewrite it as this: 1 over 3x plus 3 take away 1 over 3x plus 12. Everybody cool with that? I can write it like that as well. Anybody get that answer? Yes? Oh, you have a factorized? So what you're telling me is, would you get full marks for 1 over 3 into x plus 1, take away 1 over 3 into x plus 4? Yeah, they're the same thing, so there's no reason why you wouldn't. Any questions? Did anybody get that one out? Nope. First thing I'm going to do is multiply this out, and we get x minus 2 by x minus 2, which is x squared minus 4x plus 4. I'm going to do long division, so it's going to be x cubed plus 0x squared px plus q, x squared minus 4x plus 4. Remainder has to be 0. Why? No, yeah, it's a factor, so it means the remainder is 0. So it goes in x times, so it's x cubed 4x squared plus 4x. Take it away. Add. Take it away. 4x squared. I'm about to get p minus 4x. Is that okay with you guys? It's px take away 4x, which is p minus 4x. Okay? And what about q? Drop it. How many times does it go in now? 4 times, so anybody? 4x squared, yeah. Minus 16x and 16. Take them away. Minus, plus, minus, 0, 0, 0. So q minus 16 equals 0. Oh, this is an easy one. And then p minus 4 x plus 16x equals 0x. Because that's 0x, that's 0x squared, and that's 0. Cancel the x's and you get p minus 4 plus 16 equals 0. P equals minus 12, anybody? And q equals 16. Anybody get that one now? Help with this one. Squared minus px plus 9 into x cubed plus 0x squared plus ax plus b. Plug it out. Minus plus minus. 8 minus 9 times x. Do the drop. Get b. And px squared goes in p times, so x plus p. you get px squared minus p squared x plus 9p. Change the signs. Minus plus minus. No remainders allowed, so it should be 0x squared, 0x, and 0 down here. So I have b minus 9p is 0, the first equation. Then I have a minus 9x plus p squared x plus 0 equals 0x. A minus 9 plus p squared equals 0. So these are the two equations I get. What does it want from me? Find the values of p for which a plus b equals 17. Need to get a and b on their own. All right, I have an idea. Why don't we say that b equals 9p? Everybody cool with that? Bring the 9 underneath, and we say that p on its own is b over, and then say p squared is square both sides over 81. 9 times 9 is 81. Okay, and then we have a minus 9, plus b squared over 81 equals 0. Oh. Yeah. Wait. Sorry, my bad. I'm actually, sorry, going to backtrack on that right away. Leave it like that. And then get a equals 9 minus p squared, my fault. And then a plus b equals 17. That's what you're asked for. And then we're going to say that 9 minus p squared plus 9p equals 17. Now we have a quadratic equation. It says values, plural, means there's going to be two values, okay, or more. So we know we're in the right place now. So bring the 17 over the other side, you get minus p squared plus 9p. 9 take away 17 is minus 8. Multiply both sides by minus. Daisy, how are you getting on? All right, pause you there. So we get p squared, what's it, minus 9p plus 8 equals 0. Now what? Factorize, yeah. P minus a and p minus 1 equals 0. P equals a and p equals 1. Okay, and you're done. Copy this. Okay, find the values of p, and we did it. All right, do you want me to leave it up there for a minute? X minus a over x minus a is x squared minus ax plus a squared. X squared minus 2ax plus a squared. Get that? And you divide it into x cubed plus 0x squared plus 3px plus c. So x times x squared is x cubed minus 2ax squared plus a squared x. Take them away. So 2ax squared 3p minus a squared x plus c on the drop. Alrighty. X squared, 2ax squared divided by x squared is, anybody? 2a. So we're going to get 2ax squared minus 4a squared x plus 2a cubed. Then once again you're going to subtract plus and minus, and you get 0x squared, 0x, and 0. C minus 2a cubed equals 0, implies c equals 2a cubed. 3p minus a squared x plus 4a squared x equals 0. 0x. Cancel your x's and you get 3p minus a squared plus 4a squared equals 0. 3p, bring them over to the other side and get minus 3a squared. Then you get p equals minus a squared. I think that's what I was asked for, was it? Yep. Done and done. Alright, you're on to 28. No, there's no need. It's only when it's an in-between one. I'm actually oddly enough going to multiply this out a little bit. I don't like the way it's presented. I don't like the way it's presented. Minus 2x minus 2 root 3x. See the way the two of them are x's, aren't they? Plus root 3. All divided by 2x minus root 3. 4x squared divided by 2x. 2x. 4. Should keep it back. 4x squared minus 2 root 3x. Alright, that's fortunate actually. So what happens on the next line? That turns to a minus and that turns to a. And then what happens is the two of these guys effectively cancel each other out, don't they? So what happens is what gets brought down is minus 2x plus root 3. And that's essentially the minus 1 version of it. So it's minus 1. Then you get minus 2x plus root 3. Change the signs, plus and a minus, and you got 0 there. What is the other factor? The other factor is 2x minus 1. And you're done.